Are you hungry for the latest news and trends from the internet? Welcome to What's Cooking on the Internet, your one-stop shop for discovering the hottest digital delights. Hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
How traders hunt for crypto's next big thing. Is chasing crypto's hidden gems a smart move or just a risky bet on fleeting fads? With new tokens popping up every day in the massive world of digital assets, finding the next big cryptocurrency that could explode in value is a huge challenge for traders. It takes sharp eyes, solid analysis, and a good dose of skepticism. A recent Coingecko survey showed how traders typically find these hard-to-spot opportunities. It's not just one simple trick. It's a mix of market vibes, technical signals, and carefully checking their info. So, how do traders tackle this tricky space? Viral stories. Traders often start by watching how fast memes and narratives spread in crypto. This isn't just about surface-level hype. It's about spotting early community buzz and a token's potential to grab widespread attention. If a meme blows up on TikTok, Twitter, or Discord, it can signal early interest, giving you a chance to get in before a project goes mainstream. But remember, virality can disappear fast, and a strong meme doesn't always mean lasting value. It's more of a cultural temperature check than a guarantee of real strength. Where it's listed matters. Where a token shows up gives big hints about how developed it is and how easy it is to get tokens on early platforms like Pump. Few are usually brand new, meaning high risk but also potentially huge rewards if you get in early. On the flip side, if it's on a major exchange, the project is likely more mature and widely adopted. So a lot of its early growth might already be baked into the price. Knowing this range helps traders figure out where a project stands and where it might be headed. It's basically a choice between getting in super early or having established liquidity, token activity, and influence past the initial hype. Traders dig into what's really going on with a token. This means looking at its age, market cap, and what whales, those huge holders whose trades can really move the price, are doing. They also keep a close eye on endorsements from crypto influencers or culls. While cull backing can signal a project moving into a bigger growth phase, you've got to really question if those endorsements are genuine signs of value or just paid ads. The real trick is telling the difference between natural growth and manufactured hype, using all kinds of info. Smart traders use both on-chain and off-chain data. On-chain info, which is recorded right on the blockchain, gives clear insights into things like tokenomics, transaction volumes, and whale moves, often found using tools like block explorers. Off-chain sources, like social media chats and community forums, give you qualitative data on sentiment, stories, and new trends. Combining these two types of info gives you a much fuller picture of a project's health and how engaged its community is. It's about linking the raw numbers with the human side that drives the market. Spotting good info in a market full of speculation. Figuring out if info is reliable and real is super important. Oddly enough, many traders actually prefer info from less known sources, thinking these offer earlier, less filtered opportunities before a token gets big public attention. How authentic the info is, its originality and directness, is also key. This points to a big challenge. Early insights often come from less official places, so traders need to build a sharp filter for all the noise and bad info. It's a never-ending fight against echo chambers, and the temptation of fast money. Finding crypto's hidden gems is anything but easy. It takes discipline, constant learning, and a deep grasp of how markets work. It's not just about spotting a promising project. It's about handling the risks, understanding what makes people tick in the market, and making smart choices in a super volatile space. As we keep exploring this changing digital world, it's clear that real insight often isn't obvious. You've got to dig deeper, ask more questions, and always put solid research ahead of quick fads.